Welcome to a special question and answer session with Dr. Rodrigo Rodriguez at BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center in Tijuana, Mexico. I am Lindsey Williams. For a free consultation, you heard me correctly. I know you don't get that in other parts of the world, but for a free consultation with a doctor at BioCare Hospital, call the toll-free number right into the hospital in Tijuana, Mexico, 800-262-0212. And when you call, ask for their 60-page booklet, which will be sent to you free of charge. Dr. Rodriguez, BioCare is called or referred to as BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center. And truly it is. This is more than just the average hospital, even though it's a hospital, a full hospital with doctors and nurses 24 hours a day. But here at BioCare Hospital, you can choose your accommodations. If you are sick so that you need hospital care 24 hours a day, nurses around the clock, there is a hospital. Then, if you wish, you can stay in an apartment. Then if it's a family where children, mother, dad, everybody can come, you can even choose a house. And then if you would like the ultimate, and I mean the ultimate, there is a suite. And please believe me, whatever I say, it is as nice as any 5-star suite in the finest hotel you'll find in America. And if that's the type of accommodation that you want while you're here, you can have it. Doctor, please explain to us the accommodations that a person can have when they come to BioCare Hospital and Wellness Center.
From all the people that come to a BioCare Hospital, not everyone needs to be in a hospital. Thank God, and I say that with really heartfelt feelings, thank God we have more and more people that call me and tell me, doctor, I'm 45, I'm 50 years old, I'm doing okay, but I want to make sure I'm going to continue being healthy. What can I do? I need a really thorough checkup. I need to do something where everything has to be corrected when deficiencies will be taken care of, where early warning symptoms are to be explored and analyzed to make away with whatever is going in the wrong direction and that type of thing. And I love it. So when I have a person that tells me I have to go and do this and do, you don't need a hospital room, so you can use our surrounding accommodations. And we have apartments. They're next door. You're as close as you are from anywhere else. You go to these rooms, and you can have your own apartment. You can come with your family. You can come with your pet. We absolutely agree with your pets being with us, and we'll do everything to help you. Now, say that you have different choices. You have an apartment. We have a VIP suite. We have other suites where if you want to be a little bit more comfortable. But the idea is to give you many chances, many opportunities to be with us, do what you have to do, and with the help of God, be as healthy as you can be for as many years as possible.